Hello everybody, with you Mohammed Bermaui. I have received a question about the Bermaui Manual panel and how to move it on the chart. What happens when you change between time frames? So let me show you in this short video how to do this. Number one, you will add the Bermaui Manual EA to your chart like this, okay? The panel will appear here on the right side, in the upper corner of the right side, because I don't want you to not see what is happening on your chart. Okay, so I don't want to put it in the middle or on the left chart, on the left side of the chart. Now if you want to move it, then you can do it like this. Number one, double click on the Bermaui Manual text with the green color, move it, and the banner will move. Here it is. Very simple. You can go with it here as an example. Okay. Now, if you switch between time frame, the panel will stay where did you leave it in the last time. So I'm going to switch from 15 to 30 minutes. The panel will stay where it is. If I switch it to the 4 hours, the panel will stay where it is. Okay. So it will not vanish. It will not go to a place that you didn't put it in. Okay, let us say that by accident you click it on the delete button on your keyboard and you have selected already this. So when I will delete it on the next tick, it will appear again. Let me show you this back again. Okay, it will appear again. Okay, let us say that you removed the expert advisor from your chart. Now, when will you re-upload it on your chart back again, it will stay in this last place where you left it, like this. Now, move it, switch time frames. I hope that this video have explained what is happening, and thanks a lot for everybody.